Guru Ramdas Rakho Sarnai.
8-stroke breath for energy and stress release, and it work on releasing the anxiousness, the anxiety. Okay, so you sit straight. I show you. You will inhale in 8 parts. You inhale in like 8 sniffs. Then you enjoy that inhaled breath for a while. Then you exhale completely in 1 stroke. So let's go. Sit straight. Dhyan Mudra, here we go. Inhale in 8 parts. Hold the breath in for a moment. Feel, feel, feel. Exhale completely. Carry on. Start again. I practiced this breath for a while. At times I was high as a kite. I was high just by doing breath, totally relaxed. Okay. Prana, Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji says, O Prani, O holder of the prana, O Prani, meditate on the name of God. O holder of the breath, meditate. To meditate, the first thing is the breath. Breath, prana, chi.